Hello everyone. Good morning. As I promised that I will do a live. So in today's lesson we are going to make dots, side dot and bust dot. Let me wait that some people are here, then I can start. If you are here, just send me a hi message so I can start today's lesson. Today's lesson is about how to make the dots, this waist dot and side dot that actually make your shape here on the bust point, a cup shape. Let me know if you are here, then I can start my lesson. Hello. So actually yesterday someone asked me to make a tutorial about the princess dot, but as I am doing the it's like a series for the beginners, so I already teach you how to make this basic pattern. You can see here this basic pattern, and now the next step is to make these um, dots, side dots and this bust dot, and after that we can shift to the princess dot, because when you will understand these two dots you can easily understand the princess dot. So that's why I thought to make a tutorial of this side dots. Let me know if you are here so I can start my lesson. Actually for this side dot and waist dot there is some standard measurement, but if you want accurately on your body, because every one has a different body shape, so how you can measure your the point. So this is the apex point where you want your dot, so from here to this way you can measure, and same way from here this way you can measure. So but I will show you how you can make with the standard measurement, and the difference between these two dots are usually 1 inch. See, the points are 1 inch away. So let's start. If you are here, just send me a hi message so I know that you are here. Let me fix my camera. So this is the basic drop that we need for this lesson. If you missed about how to make this basic pattern, you can check my tutorial. I explain very well. I actually have two videos about this basic pattern. One I did recorded, and one is one lesson I explained it in a live video. So if you are first time here, just press the subscribe button, so every time I come live you can see the live lessons. And see, this is the basic pattern. If you don't know how you can make this pattern, you can check my video how to make a pattern. Okay, so this is actually the point, the waist point, where we actually want our dot, and from here to here we need a point where we actually want to make our dot. Hope you can see here. Guys, if you are here, just send me a hi message. And I feel it's a bit early. No, I can't see anybody here, but anyways, I'm starting my video. So as I just told you that you can use the standard measurement, that is here almost 3.5 inches or 9 centimeter. From this point you can see, from this point to this point you need a mark 9 centimeter or 3.5 inches. This is the point. Okay, and if on your body, you can measure from here. See this point from your center. Suppose this is your center and this is your center, and you need here, exactly here you need your line. I hope you guys can see here. So at this point you need your waistline dot. So we can measure from here to here on body. So obviously if you have a different body, but you can see here this is a standard size dummy. So exactly at 3.5 inches or 9 centimeter we have here the waist line for our dot. Okay, but if you are big or more small, you can check on the considering this is your center, and you can check here your apex point or bust point like this. Okay, so I just mark here 3.5, and my baby is wake up. Okay, so now the next is the length of the dot. So if you are making a full dress, so that's how you can take 4.5 upside like this, and 4.5 is down, so it become 9. Okay, so this is the length of your waistline, your dot. Okay, on your waistline, but obviously it can vary according to height. You can a little reduce it, so you can play with it according to your height. Okay, and total width of our dot we need here 1 inch. So half inch this side I'm going to mark, and half inch this side. Okay, and after that we will join this point to this point. Okay, like this, and same way we will mark here like this. Okay, so I will explain you how you can stitch this dot. And if you are working with a blouse, I mean something like your till waist or whatever point, so then you will get a half dot. So half dot will be something like this. So suppose this is your blouse, so from here, and you need 4.5 upside, and again 1 inch here. Guys, just send me a hi message if you are here, so I know that you are here. And after that, something like this. Okay, so this is something if you have you are working with some blouse or something. Okay, and now the next point is your this side dot or your bust dot. So for that we need here the point where actually your apex point. Okay, so from here generally in standard heights we take it 1 inch difference from here like this. This is actually very basic tutorial for the beginners, because putting dot is something that you can play with a lot. There is different type of dots, and I will explain you further in upcoming lesson, but this is a very basic dot that beginners can do. So from here I'm taking 2 inches upside like this, and just mark here a straight line. So this is just a very basic something, and here we need a total of ½ inch because the bust dot is not very much um, we don't want it too big, but again it depends on the dress. If you feel that there is some because if you are working with some draping part of draping type of designing, you can fold it like this and then you can pin up it and then you can mark, because basically the main purpose of dot is to make it fit. You can see how fitted is this dress. There is no gathers here, nothing. So that this is actually the purpose of our dots. You can see here the dots, hope you can see. So due to these dots is fit, so that's why we put these dots. So if anything extra, we can gather it like this and we can pin up it and we can make the dot. Okay, so this is very basic dot. One is this side bust dot and this is the waist dot. There are lot more other dots, and princess dot I will explain you in my next video. And if you like this video, just hit a like button. This is just a very basic introduction, because we just till we make only the basic pattern. So this is just starting of our dot part. Okay, so as a beginner, these two dots are very basic dot, and how we put it, we will do it a fold and then we will stitch it. Let me show you on the fabric. See, here it's on the back side. See, that's how it is. And in one of my lesson, how to adjust your resize your dress, I put this waist dot in back side of my dress that was oversized. You can check my that video and see, that's how it will look. And this is the side dot. Okay, so in next video I will explain you all things detail. I think till here it's enough. This is a very basic introduction that how and why we need a dot, because here we want this smooth. You can see here, this is no gather here, this is very smooth dress. So this type of fitting we need, that's why we put dots. So give your feedback and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you. Bye bye, take care.